Salam, hello! Today I have an unboxing from FabFitFun. I would love to show you what it's inside, so let's open it! These boxes are very trendy right now, and I can see now why. At the beginning I couldn't understand what was the hype about, but I guess that now that I try it, I'm totally hooked. I think it's because first, the surprise factor, like you don't know exactly everything that you are getting, so it is almost like opening a Kinder surprise egg. I don't know if you guys had those when you were little. I remember just being so excited to see what it was inside. So I think it is like kind of like the grown-up version of the Kinder surprise egg. Another reason why I think that we love this kind of subscription boxes is because it is really good value for your money. I mean, you end up paying way less than the retail price. The third reason why we all love is because you get to experience and experiment with other products that if you were not subscribed, you would have never even thought about buying. But I have made some discoveries, and now some of the items that I got from these boxes are actually some of my favorites. So without further ado, let's see what we got this season. So this is a coupon to basically $15 off to send to a friend. Some stickers. It will be fun, like if you are doing journal or have an agenda. This is kind of the explanation on every product, kind of like the stores. Okay, some other coupons, like random coupons that you get in your box. Now let's get into the good stuff. The first item, let's see what I get first here. So the first item is this cosmetic organizer case. I thought that I believe that I choose this one. I forgot what were my options, but this one, it will be nice to put it inside my drawer, because right now I actually have to work in organizing my makeup, because it's everything in one drawer and it definitely needs a little bit of makeover. So this will help me just to have everything inside the drawer organized. So the next item are these, and these are coasters. So these coasters I really like, kind of a boho style. So I think that this could come handy. Next item, it says Saye, and I don't know, let me see, what is this? Probably it's for makeup, like a powder sponge. Yeah, this reusable beauty rounds. So basically is to take your makeup off. Wow. And you can put them in the machine wash after. So this is a good idea because they are very soft, and as I'm always advising you guys that to be very gentle with your skin, especially when you're washing, I think that this really could work. So I'm going to try it. Sometimes I don't use towels because I feel them a little bit too harsh, so I actually just try to use my fingers very gentle, or the MPD cleanser machine to wash my face, so I'm going to give this a try and see, especially in my neck, that sometimes it's hard to get. Next item is it's Pure Tonic Glow, and oh yes, I remember this. This is Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil, and I thought that this was good to just give a glow, like in my obviously just to wear at home. To give my glow to my arms or legs. I think that even I could do a little bit of highlight around these areas, so let's try it on. I think that I choose this one as well. So now, next product, it says Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. And let me show you. Obviously, I will have to research and see how I can incorporate this. So it says it's plant-based, it's cruelty-free, and it's vegan. So yeah, I would love to see what is the active here. Let's see, squalene, camellia. Let's see, spirulina. I could see this working not so much as a brightening, but more as like a sealer to seal your moisturizers after. But as I say, I will research more and to see exactly what it is, what are the actives, and how I can incorporate it into my routine. So next item. I don't usually wear slippers. We have carpet upstairs, so and downstairs we have hard floor, and you will never see me wearing slippers. I actually have indoor shoes that are more like moccasins because I'm very active, and the hard floors really take a toll on my back and feet. But probably I could wear these in my bathroom, you know, when I'm doing my makeup, because we have I believe it's marble floors in the master bedroom, and it could get quite cold. So yeah, they're pink and they feel soft. Next item. Suns out, puts out. Oh, these are lip masks. There is 4 pieces here. This would be fun. I actually, well, I wear Laneige sleeping lip mask, and it will be fun just to try something like this. I have seen many influencers with their lip mask, and it's cute. Okay. So next item. I think this is the grocery bag. What is this? Oh no, this is the packing cubes. So I was traveling and I wanted to this for my trip, but unfortunately the package didn't get here before. So I already left and came back. But I'm glad to have this for another trip. These are not my favorite colors. As you probably know by now, I like neutrals, very classic colors, not so much like pop-up colors. I guess now that I'm a little bit older, yeah, I just want to stay with neutrals or with more classic colors. But I thought, okay, if I don't use these ones, I could always pack my kids' stuff. So it will be great for like underwear, socks when we travel. me show you. So there's really 3 pieces. This is the smallest one. Then you have medium, and you can see here. So this is also great when you have like dirty laundry. Let me see if you can see the net. And then the big one. So it has a nice zipper here, and then the net. Let me see. Does it? Oh yeah, the zipper. It's a separate bag, and then you have the main compartment. So guys, this is all for this video. I hope that this gave you an idea of what you can get if you subscribe to FabFitFun. I definitely think that it's fun, that's for sure. I'm usually very happy with the things that I get, and if I'm not going to use them, they are great as gifts, and I have little nieces that I'm sure that they will love some of these items. So through my link, you can get $15 of your first box. So I will link that down below. I'm subscribed also to the Cows box. So if you want to see that one, I will be happy to show you. Anyways, salam and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.